We're at Sheepskin Hollow Preserve. It's kind of interesting. You park in a cul-de-sac. And it's a small area, but there is apparently a hidden waterfall back here that's supposed to be super nice. So we're gonna go find it. There's a bag with a diary on the side. Can you read one of the entries for us?
2 days after Trump incited losers to storm DC Capitol building. Better days ahead with Biden, I hope.
Oh boy. Wow, good thing we're not monetized on YouTube. This is such a nice little hike on the Blue Trail. Just tons of little tiny mini waterfalls all the way down as we hike. Just tons and tons. And then sounds like we're coming up on the big one. Oh yeah, we're gonna get down there and get a front-on view for sure. This has been a really bad day for gnats, but that is a really awesome waterfall. Sneaks right through the little cut in the rocks. Absolutely beautiful. And it looks like there's another one down there we're gonna have to go take a look at real quick. Now the park is only, they said, like 1.2 miles round trip. There's another waterfall over here. It's kind of little. We're gonna go check out by the other parking lot. I mean, this is basically like a miniature Wadsworth Falls. It's really, really similar, just a third or less the size, maybe a quarter. So this is awesome. I didn't know the second waterfall was here. I thought it was just a big one in the back. And don't let the footage fool you. It's really hard to take a good video that shows the proportions of that waterfall. It's very, very, very long. It drops about 3 times that are big and a bunch of little ones, and it just goes on forever. You have to see it in person to really appreciate how big it actually is. This one, I would say it's a little taller than me, so it's probably like 8 feet tall, but it's a lot of water coming over the top. Oh, we just came to a clearing. We could see a big old beaver house. Supposedly at the south end here, you can see the beaver dam, but I'm not exactly sure where that is. I'll have to take a look around. We came down to the water's edge just to take a look. I can't tell if that's the beaver dam or if it's that line over there. I think it might be this. But as we came down here, we noticed this log has been taken apart very clearly by a beaver. So they are definitely in this area. There's more than one home, and they're pretty big, but that's awesome. Wish I could see one and take a photo, but they're not gonna be out right now. So you can park near the second waterfall and then just take the blue trail up and see the bigger fall. We wanted to see more of the park, so we parked at the cul-de-sac parking lot, which is very awkward. And then we took the white trail to the yellow trail, crossed the bridge, got onto the blue trail. We did the entire blue trail, saw both waterfalls, and then we came back red trail or white trail to go see the lake where the beavers are, and they are not out, unfortunately. And we're just heading up this steep hill, up the white trail, back to our car. This way you get kind of an overview of the entire park, whereas if you're only on the blue trail, it's great, you see the water, but you won't see anything else really. It's pretty cool little preserve. Probably qualifies to be a state park more than some of the other state parks in the area, but that's just my opinion. All right, we're out. We're on to the next one.